Batuyisizza kira, batuyisizza eno kira munda bamukutte. Tuyisa kira, bamutwala Magere, twalisazeeko enguudo ne muziggala. Kuba manene. Eno musirira bagende nakubo lyonna. Sokayo mukwe. Mujye Magere. Bamukute mwangu we.
Bakiriza akagonde ne kabayisa kali ede
Mbino wano tugwawa Magere ali wano kumpi kiri kumpi na Magere kati nekuwa ndimanyi iseno tukiko kino tugwe kasanga kesho halo kine kyekira kine kyekira kino tugwe kasanga kesho Nubian mageza kwisa. Nubian genda bugenzi wale wageza kwisa murege. Basiru omumanya information kwa. Moses buli kimo kikutte wali. Va kuono.
Sajja nkubye supreme
now. Fenna. Boyo mugulugulo omusajja ndali ankubye pick up ye nenemerako nalemereddwa n'engwa. Halo
nze katikana akali muleya simanyi kije kanfu
bamukutte basize emmotoka yonna ne bamusokoolayo ku mpaka kene batukuba zisikule maaso ne batumiza okugunja omusajja waffe bamutadde mu kamotoka kaabwe katuli eno ku kyekira ekigye Magere ekigwa Magere n'ekirange Namugongo ekigwe Kasanga. Tuli mmotoka tubagoberera bangi nnyo mukagenda Genda.
Shame of this government. Really?
You can see many trucks ahead of us, others are behind us. No, Magere, tuliano kutekira ekyettaka kino ekitule Magere.
gun is in that car. Ahead of us. Motoka ya Electoral Commission chebatu wadde. Ogiraba.
Nemulabo obutitiri omwina mwine mundu naye mutitira nga baana bato. Batitizi mwine mashini nemutya bato. That's God. The God of Isaac, the God who created all of us, that's God. He sees what you're doing and the influence you're doing. He sees it. I'm a journalist, but what you are doing is uncalled for.
Bageza okugana kulomesa okuyingira. Bagana they want to put him under house arrest. Where are we now? Tubatayize motoka yaffe sugijjaawo baleme kuvaayo okitegeera Nubian tabikiriza kuvaayo wituuka
Zizo military okuperi basajja batukubye nzenna ngenda kulaga batunyiza obusajja ne bankuba piste eno mu mutwe ninasika mu jaketi yange batukubye bubi nnyo ne bamutujjako ne tugaana ne bamusika ne bamuzeeri ne bamukubye bubi nnyo nakana akamotoka ke batuwaddemu kakuma mukulembeze nga kali awo katunula butunuzi tebagenda yingira gende tetubeetaaga tujja mwekuumira
era obukumi bwa Museveni tukulaze tetwetaaga
zizo n'emmotoka ziringa 10 balina mundu naye batya balina buli kimu nga bebeewaana naye batya
Edi obuyinza babulina ku mundu
oba okitegeera
obuyinza ku buddemu basajja
balina bw'abantu kale olutuka magere mutulinde tujja site
yabakamanda Electoral Commission is there for formality.
Jangu ewaka inya boda zizo zonna 99 zitwala omuntu omu 99 nabi kalifu takulawo kubira sherifu takulawo tebamanyi na wakudda kamotoka kakali tebamanyi na wuwe bamala gavuga
Muzeeyi Museveni obuyinza abulina ku mundu tabulina ku budde ajja kufa ne bw'aba ayagala nnyo agenda kufa mugenda sigalawo nga ate tuli bakyali baffe tugenda kola mwenna oyo yagenda obakulembera baboyi temugenda kuddamu kufuna mitwalo 2 mugenda kufuna kakadde wagirinyiramu temugenda kuddamu kufuna kyabiri kakadde wagirinyira
afande oyo wokubiri afande oyo wokubiri oyo nesekeni alo wewe
tebamanyi wakudde motoka eyimiridde babuuza wobeeno laba bagenze gende
onasobola okuyisa emotoka eyo amayise emotoka
ayitawo
bamutute eri oba
kyonna kyebaagala okukola
bamutute kasangati mukibeeremu
Nemwe temunya byakola. Sajja naawe. We don't know, they're taking him. I'm going to go into the night. Balinga abavuddeyo bagere suicide eri
mulina mu mmotoka ye
bagezaho okugula walingi ne balemwa
wa magere geti ani akulima nedda muganda wange geti ye magere gula bulungi
ate ngamba
magere wakajituka
tebamanyi gyawe bakumuzza tebamanyi wuwe tebamanyi makubo abekasanda titujja mubeere ku makubo
gundi
wakoda agenda kiri akiseeko bisi
mwana agenda leta kyuma ekyo
Rambo yo wabodi.
Boda. Bana dayo chuma gadi.
Chuma kibude.
Bana gadi kuda wansi.
Nete bamulia unga. Mwana boda dire.
Heading towards Bobi Wine's home in Magere. So many military cars. all these military vehicles at the front and behind.
Uganda, we can assure you we are not going to die. We are here in the struggle. This order must have come from Mr. Museveni, President Museveni himself. And order to have the one who do that. And order to the one. Munsiyo na tuwanoka nembade bo nanu wada itabazu when possible dane kumutengu igena bata yagala yo kulonda bwana mmwe temugezana muyingira temugenda kuyingirayo temugenda kuyingira mugenda sura waweru mugenda kusura waweru nakwata mukama amwe mutunula butunuzi nakwata mukama amwe mutunula butunuzi
These are enemies, not friends. They are not. Bobby Wine is right in that.
Eyo vani eyo ojirabe eyo vani eyo
This is the hate of fear. Okay. Banage bagenda kugulawo by force. Sheriff bamukwate. This one is Kyagulanyi.
This is the presidential candidate.
Mugenda kugamba mulina gye mugenda kugamba mumutuusiza mumuleke tuliwa wano webanzika banziika wano wenyini uganda
You see their guns in the car? Batambula n'ebiyiso mutufumise ebiyiso. Aliwe, what is the problem? This is his compound.
Hey, bamutte. 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 Go. What's the problem?
Siap, jangan back office.
So what is it?
I don't know what his plan is.
Bamutadde wa
Ababuusemu abantu bangi tebagala kumatira
President nga bwali mubanda ababuuse mu kivani.
Singa yingidde motoka ne.
Abaana mujje.
Tugenda ku office bajje.
Mujje tugenda ku office.
Bakwata abaana babe Oya jamu piki.
Yakubye Eddie Eroyo era
genda. Tukirize motoka ina Daniel kuyitako.
Genda maaso. Mr. President ali mukutambula era ebisajja ebya military police.
David.
Bibyagala kwa musajja waffe.
Selector.
Kuno bagala kudamu mukwata. Bagala kudamu
kulawo.
Bagala kudamu mukwata. Babo, Mr. President bali naye. They want to arrest him again. They are with him.
Aje muno.
Mugamba aje muno. Genda yo. Genda yo. Tulete motoka yaffe. Genda yo bring him to our car.
They are arresting him again.
Yes. Yes, they are arresting him again. Yeah. This is what is happening. They're now tear gassing the whole place. We are in Magere. Tuli Magere bannange. Bannange buli omwa kole kyasobola. We are in Magere. Let everyone do what you can. They are now tear gassing the place. They are now tear gassing the place. We are supposed to be launching our manifesto today, and we must launch it from our headquarters. But what they are doing is showing that these guys, they want to do only wrong things today. We kept the law. We have followed their rules.
Bobby went down yesterday.
My security. Provide me security. I am going to my office like anybody else. If you're taking orders from somebody, let them explain. You are continuing to expose yourself as a person who is deployed on me to oppress me, to torture me. In your watch, they have broken my window and pulled me out of my car and tortured me. So you can say what you want, but you are talking to a presidential candidate. And I'm representing the people of Uganda. And Angume, you are an officer of the law. You are expected to respect the law. Okay? I am aware that office in the people of Uganda.
Remove the election.
Tear gas.
Just nominations and
Just go to your vehicle. Just go to your man. Am I the one who broke this? I saw you. Wait, don't beat me. I don't know your name, but I need it. I saw you. Hit me. It is you. Why are you denying?
Take me to my office.
Yes. Let us go there.
Yes. My office.
Let's go to the office.
I am going to my office.
Let's go to the office. Let's go.
You are breaking the law. You are breaking the law.
We are going to the office.
This man you see is called Angume. Yes. He is the same man that knocked a person there and he broke his leg. Keep quiet. I want you to know that Uganda, all over the world, I want you to know that we the people of Uganda, we the young people of Uganda, refuse to be slaves in our country. Yes, Mr. President. We refuse to be slaves in our country. We have not done anything. Angume, if I am a criminal, arrest me. But if I'm a presidential candidate, and you as police have given me security, can my security lead me to my office?
It's a humble request.
Can you lead me to my office?
Say something, Angume.
Provide the lead guard. Say something. You cannot even respect the law. You are wearing our flag. This is our flag. This is a Uganda police uniform, not your uniform. You are supposed to respect it because one day you will not be in this assistance. You are giving an example of the young men and women looking at us now. Take me to my office.
Honorable Kyagulanyi is expected to go and launch his manifesto in Kambocha. So this is what is happening. Yeah. Ah, man. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Knife bullets.
I can't access him. No. It's one of these tear gas. Sorry. I can't access him. I wanted to pull him away. Find a way of discussing this because we cannot discuss in this environment.
Yeah.
No, do that for me.
I don't know where he is.
He's in this vehicle. He's there.
Let's go and discuss that. You can manage that.
Let's go. Oh man. He has been placed in that vehicle and now he's been driven away.
Yes.
Mugamba Chibamu. Ay, ay, ay. Tear gas everywhere. He has now been brought back to his gate.
Putin block all the sides. They don't open. Go to the government and see a human. Until when it's open.
Honorable. Honorable.
It's going to remember all of us.
You know, I don't know what they hit me with. So on the inside, there is wounds. You see?
The what?
And the hand, of course. So you guys are just beating us up and even sick. You're not feeling it. Why? But you see, if he says why don't you allow us? So why do you guys provide security for him? You guys looked on as he was being harassed as they hit him now with the hammer. So why did you provide security? So you just said that the back of the security. What happened to the security at that time? Why is it a mass that he has to go home? So are you guys now saying, going forward, you're the ones going to be setting a schedule for you?
Honorable Kyagulanyi is in that vehicle, the police truck. They've arrested him violently. So that is the state of affairs here at Magere. Right after nomination, you can imagine how shameless these people are.
Yes, we are keeping the gate because we are going to close
Yes.
But this one was meant
Reorganize. I think so too. Don't you think we should talk to him? We want to talk to him. Unfortunately, these guys don't want anyone to talk to him, but he's in their interest. Let's talk to the other commander. Me and Joe, let's talk to him. Yeah, let's talk to him. Okay, let's talk to him. Yeah, just put this down, we talk to him from here.
This blood was on my fingers. I was guarding my president. The guy directed a canister at Kyagulanyi. I was able to show him protecting the canister. I don't know whether I survived this guy, but these guys are ready and they really want to kill Honorable Kyagulanyi. They threw the canister directly to Kyagulanyi. If we are not there, the guys got the whole life now in the So these people, they are a duly nominated presidential candidate. That's how they are treating him. Bamuteka mu ndala kolo kabajijjemu basaaga amupulire agwemu Give us our president! Give us our president! Give us our president! We demand it! We want to kill our president! Everybody wants!
Mulimu presidenti.
President.